Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on an exclusive tour of all the 11 room categories at Treasure Beach, the newest and most luxurious villa at Beach's Turks and Caicos Resort. For those of you who missed my complete overview of Treasure Beach, check out my previous video linked in the description box below. Now, let's explore these incredible accommodations designed for the perfect family getaway. Let's start with our Treasure Beach Concierge Suite options. These 2-bedroom, 2-bath suites with all the features and the same spacious layouts and identical bedding configurations. 1 king bed in the master bedroom, 1 twin bunk with trundle in the second bedroom, and 1 sleeper sofa in the living area, comfortably accommodating up to 6 guests. The main difference between these suites is their location within the resort. Let me walk you through all 4 concierge suite options. The standard Treasure Beach Concierge Suite is located on floors 1 through 3, depending on availability. These Caribbean-inspired accommodations are designed to surpass expectations and get the whole family on island time. With concierge service included, your family will enjoy personalized assistance throughout your stay. The Treasure Beach Walkout Concierge Suite offers the same layout and bedding configuration, but is exclusively located on the first floor with a direct path to the beach. Your front row ticket to paradise comes with the ultimate beachside escape. Just step out your patio and feel the sand between your toes within seconds. Next, the Treasure Beach Ocean View Concierge Suite, located on the 3rd and 4th floors. These suites feature the same bedding configuration with the added bonus of a balcony that showcases stunning Caribbean views. Meet your new view, the Caribbean Sea. Get ready to feel like the kings of the sandcastle, where family time is the greatest treasure of all. The Treasure Beach Ocean View Penthouse Concierge Suite sits exclusively on the 5th floor, offering the most breathtaking panoramic views among the concierge suite options. With the same comfortable bedding configuration for 6 guests, this suite lets you watch the sunset and the fun never ends from the highest vantage point. Moving on to the Treasure Beach Ocean View 2-story, 2-bedroom Butler Suite. This 1,036 square foot, 2-story retreat features 1 king bed, 1 single pull-out sofa bed, and 1 twin-size daybed with trundle, accommodating up to 5 guests. Every day in this suite comes with the promise of fun on the horizon and butler service to ensure your vacation is truly stress-free. The Ocean View 2-bedroom family butler suite, located on the 4th and 5th floors, offers 1 king bed, 1 queen bed, and 2 sleeper sofas, perfect for 6 guests. With 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this suite ensures your family is treated like sandcastle royalty, with 24/7 butler service handling your every request. The Ocean View 2-bedroom Butler Suite spans the 2nd to 4th floors and features 1 king bed, 1 queen bed, and 2 sleeper sofas, comfortably accommodating 6 guests. Each room comes equipped with everything you need, and butlers will take care of the rest, ensuring your family's stay is as smooth as the Caribbean waters. The Ocean View 2-bedroom Grand Butler Suite spans 1,358 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 4th floor balcony. This suite features 1 king bed, 1 twin bunk bed with trundle, and 2 sleeper sofas, creating space for up to 7 guests. When you dream big, you deserve beaches. This suite delivers that promise with butler service and stunning ocean views. The Ocean View 2-story, 3-bedroom Butler Suite offers 1,798 square feet of family fun across 2 stories. The bedding configuration includes 2 king beds, 1 queen bed, and 1 sleeper sofa, perfect for larger families with up to 7 guests. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and unparalleled views allow everyone to have their own space while enjoying quality family time together. The Chairman's Penthouse Suite is a 2,809 square foot, 2-story marvel featuring 2 king beds, 1 queen bed, and 1 twin bunk bed, accommodating up to 8 guests. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom sandcastle includes your very own secret room within a room and dedicated butler service fit for royalty. The most exclusive offering, the Crystal Sky Reserve Villa, spans 2,612 square feet across 3 stories. This beachfront paradise features 1 king bed, 1 split king bed, 1 queen bed, and 1 queen bunk bed, creating the perfect retreat for up to 10 guests. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, direct beach access, a private pool, and a rooftop deck make this the ultimate family accommodation, complete with personalized butler service. Each of these incredible accommodations is designed to elevate your family vacation experience at Treasure Beach, with bedding configurations to suit every family size and preference. Treasure Beach is now taking bookings with an official opening date of March 1st, 2026. Reserve your favorite room category before it's sold out by clicking in the link in the description box below. Want more exclusive deals on these amazing accommodations? Join my weekly email list to take advantage of resort discounts and promotions for Beach's resorts. I share the best offers every week so you never miss out on savings for your dream vacation. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of my resort views and travel tips. Until next time, happy travels!